Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use iodine tincture on wounds. First, gather your supplies: iodine tincture, sterile gauze or cotton swabs, and clean water or saline solution. Ensure your hands are clean by washing them thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. This preparation is crucial for preventing further contamination and ensuring the antiseptic can work effectively on the wound. Before applying iodine, it's vital to clean the wound properly. Gently rinse the affected area under cool, running water or with a saline solution to remove any loose dirt or foreign particles. If there's any embedded debris, use sterilized tweezers to carefully remove it. After rinsing, pat the skin around the wound dry with a clean, sterile gauze pad, leaving the wound itself slightly moist. Now, let's apply the iodine tincture. Dip a sterile cotton swab or gauze pad into the iodine solution, ensuring it's not dripping wet. Gently dab the iodine directly onto the wound and the surrounding skin, covering an area of about 1/4 to 1/2 inch beyond the wound edges. Do not pour the tincture directly onto the wound. Allow it to air dry for a few moments. After the iodine has dried, cover the wound with a sterile bandage or dressing to protect it from further contamination. Change this dressing daily, or more often if it becomes wet or dirty, to maintain a clean healing environment. Keep an eye on the wound for any signs of infection, like increased redness or pus. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.